Looking for a power stroke? You found yourself a real nice one. This is the 2016 the F350 Power Stroke. Stock number is 7022. This virtual video walk around, I'm going to allow you to see this vehicle up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This virtual video walk around will show you the interior and, of course, as we're looking at the exterior on the FX4 off-road package. Only 38,000 miles on this Super Duty. Take notice of the exterior condition, rear, bed liner, tow package. There's not much this truck doesn't have on it. Looking to travel with friends or family and you need some room in the back? Well, look at there. Ample legroom, a comfortable ride with the leather. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat, which we're going to do right now. Fully loaded, low miles, hard to find truck. Do me a favor, for more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, or text us. Don't forget, warranty for life and oil changes for life are only offered at one company and one company only in the Puget Sound. That is Sunset Ford. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. I like that truck. Make it a great day. Take care.